Before performing any chromatography, you will need to verify that the XYZ mechanism positions the needle properly in the sample chamber. To begin, open the door of the sample manager. Slide the tray holder out. Next, loosen the screw holding the sample tray holder in place by turning it counterclockwise 1/4 turn. If your system does not include a sample organizer, there will be 2 sample tray holders to remove from the sample chamber. Using your finger, remove the teach block from the sample manager chassis. Next, insert the teach block into the locating holes. From the Acuity console, access the sample manager from the tree. Select Maintain and choose Calibrate XYZ Mechanism. In the Needle Calibration window, select the XYZ Calibration tab. Click Start to begin. A warning will appear asking the operator to confirm that sample tray holders and plates have been removed and the teach block is installed. Click OK. The XYZ mechanism positions the puncture needle into place above the teach block. Next, perform a visual inspection of the location of the puncture needle relative to the hole in the teach block. Choose the 1 mm displacement increment. Then click the Z+ button to position the puncture needle vertically to an approximate center above the hole. Each click of the mouse moves the needle 1 mm. Fine-tune the adjustment by selecting the 0.1 mm displacement increment. To laterally position the puncture needle, use the X+ and X- buttons to move it left or right, respectively. With the aid of a dental mirror, further adjust the front-to-back location of the puncture needle using the Y+ and Y- buttons. Using the 0.1 mm displacement increment, lower the needle into the teach block hole to confirm an accurate X and Y alignment. Ensure that no lateral deflection of the puncture needle occurs by grasping the needle and moving it back and forth. Click Calibrate Foot. Then click Save. A confirmation window appears. Click OK. Finally, remove the teach block and reinsert the sample tray holder. Next, select the Z Calibration tab in the Needle Calibration window. Click Start and then OK to the confirmation window. Use the Z+ button to drive the sample needle down to within 1 mm of the tray surface. Switch the displacement increment to 0.1 mm and lower the sample needle until it is just touching the surface of the sample tray holder. Click Save. The confirmation window appears. Click OK. This now completes the Z calibration. You are now ready to perform the system verification procedure.